Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, this is Kevin from St. Louis. If y'all don't know me, I've been picking. Well, I've been selling on eBay since 2002. Yeah, but I just started selling full time on there. I want to say early last year. I started selling everything. I used to just sell video games during Christmas. That's it. Now I'm selling everything that ain't nailed down. You know what I'm saying? Everything. We here in the hood office. But let me get this out the way, though. Yeah, y'all heard of American pickers picking in the backwoods of America? Backwoods and the back roads of America? You heard of Matt on Part-Time Pickers? That's on YouTube. You heard of Garage Flips on YouTube. You heard of Cincinnati Pickers on YouTube. Well, this is Kevin. And we pick in the hood, too. Yeah. Remember that. But anyway, I got that out the way. Let me tell you. We in the hood office right now. Y'all see, I cleaned up a little bit, put another shelf in and stuff like that. But it's still junky in there, and you guys didn't name my office yet. It's the hood office to me, but, you guys need to name it. And my buddy Mighty Mouse back there, all you old school people, y'all remember Mighty Mouse? Here we come to save the day. Mighty Mouse. He's huge. I'm not selling him, though. But anyway, I'm just going to go through what I sold today. I don't sell too much. I sell about 5-6 items a day. That's a little bit. I made like $130 yesterday. When they take the fees out, it's probably probably $110 or something like that. But I don't care. It's money I didn't have, and all it's doing is sitting there. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. So I'll make probably about $500-600 a week. That's money I didn't have. You know what I'm saying? That's a little extra money right there. To go toward bills and stuff. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, let's go over what I sold. Hold on a minute. Let me pull some of this stuff up. Remember I told y'all about I buy the dollar stuff from Walmart, lipstick and stuff like that. Yeah, hold on. My beard messed up. I didn't comb my beard. Anyway, whatever. I just got up, but no, I ain't just get up, but I've been up for a while, but I didn't realize I was gonna make this video until I started, getting this stuff together to ship out. Anyway, this right here, this lipstick right here, I paid $1 for it. It's a 643 Revlon color. See that color right there? Yeah, it's that color. I paid $1 for it. $19. That's how much it sold for. $19. Yeah. Okay. Then these little cards right here, little Pokemon cards. I bought these it's got to be about 15-20 years ago. I had these in a box. I sold some with I had about 100 of them, and I sold some with these little Pokemon things a long time ago. I would put like 2 or 3 of them with the Pokemon, with each one of the Pokemon things that I sold. Just a little bonus for people, you know what I'm saying? But I decided to put the rest of them, it's 17 of them. I decided to put the rest of them in a little bundle and sell. This sold for $37.20 and $4.75 shipping. That's how much they sold for. So I don't remember how much I paid for it. It was a whole box. Them baseball, you used to get the boxes with the baseball cards in them long boxes. And that's what it was in, something like that. It was about 100 of them. I've been selling them right off, but they're real old. I've been having them for a long time. And let me see what else. Yeah, and I sold these My Little Pony Thunderbolt things for $19.90. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill. Brand new in the box. It sold for $19.90. $1. Yeah, My Little Pony. I don't get it, but whatever. People want the pony things. I don't get it. It ain't no boy stuff. I got granddaughters and I had daughters, and I used to hate when they played with dolls. The hell you playing with a doll for? I don't want you to have no damn babies. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you playing with a doll for? I'm mad right now because they got kids. They don't want no hairy ass man all over my kids. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse. It might be kids. Might be kids watching or something. But anyway, sorry about cursing like that, y'all. But sometimes when you old, stuff just slip out. Stuff just come on out that you don't want to come out when you old. So, but anyway, I just didn't like my kids to have boyfriends and stuff. I guess you put it like that, you know. Okay, then I sold this puzzle right here. Let me bring that down right quick. I forgot how much I paid for. I mean, there it is. Usually I buy puzzles for $1, but I don't buy them unless they sealed. That's one thing I don't do. They starting to tape them up now, but you still don't know if it's some pieces missing. So if they sealed, I buy them, and if I look them up and they sell them real good, I buy them. This one right here, I'm gonna remember this company. I'm gonna write it down, but this is sealed. I sold this for $29. $29. Only thing I didn't put shipping on there because it's costing me like $8 to ship. But I paid $1 for it. So I made $20 plus, minus the fees. And I paid $1. But I'd like to have more, but what the hell? I don't know what I was tripping off of that day. I think that's when they changed over because I had this for about a week and a half probably. And I think when they changed over this new system they got, I didn't look at it. And because it put free shipping on there for it automatically, and I didn't even look at it. And sometimes you make mistakes like that. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. You know what I'm saying? So I lost that time. That's all to it. But $29 it sold for. But back again, let me tell you about this. When you're looking for if you look through puzzles, you find one that's really expensive, that's sold really expensive. I forgot the name of these companies, but there is some out there that sell for $50, $60, $70, that I look out for, and if I see them, if they not sealed, I don't buy them. And some people, like I think it was Cincinnati Picker or somebody, some people actually count it because, they do this full time. I don't do this full time. I got a handyman business and I drive at night. So I don't do it full time, but I would like to do it full time, but sometimes you don't have it like that. You got to work and pay bills. So, but anyway, they sit up and count the pieces. I'm not counting no pieces. I'm sorry, I don't have time to do that. I'm just a 1,000-piece puzzle. I'm not counting those pieces. You know what I mean? Now, if they had a way where you could put it on the scale, like you call the company, and they say, well, you can put it on the scale, and if it weighed this much. What the hell? I just woke up. Anyway, it was the first time I slept in. I used to get up at 5:30 in the morning. Stuff like that. The first time I slept in a while. It ain't up at like 7, 8 o'clock. But it's the first time I stayed in the bed past that time in a long time. So, I don't know why I'm yawning. But anyway, whatever. Sometimes you're old, you just yawn. Anyway, like I was saying. Did I forget what I was saying? I'm old. Anyway, some people just sit up and count the puzzles, count the pieces. I can't do that. I can't do that. But if they had a way, like I said, if they had a way where you can put it on the scale and it's supposed to weigh a certain amount and it don't weigh that certain amount, even if one piece missing, it should weigh a little bit different. I don't know how much, but it should weigh a certain amount. It might not be no difference though, but whatever. I'm saying if they find out a way you can find out whether it's full or not, then I'll do it. But if not, I'm not paying no dollar, waste no dollar on no puzzle when it's just going to sit up in here. You see all this stuff I got? Look, let me look over there. See all this stuff over there too? Huh? All this stuff full of stuff. And it's just, and behind me, that closet, everything. This other shelf right here, it's got all kind of, I'm going to have to put all my electronics on there. I haven't been putting my electronics on eBay. But anyway, all this whole room is full. And I got containers down in the garage, so I ain't got time really to count no puzzles. I don't really have time to go through this stuff and sell it, but I got time to source though. I like sourcing. I like walking through stores and stuff like that. But anyway, then I got this last thing that I sold. Hold on a minute, let me get picked up right quick. I put it in the bag already because I forgot I was going to make this video. So just hold on 1 minute. Let you look at the ceiling. Let you look at the ceiling right quick. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm back. this thing right here. I paid $4 for this, brand new. It's a battery. It's like a remote control airplane battery and charger in here. I think I paid $4 for this, but that was a little while ago, probably about 3 months ago. But it sold for $29. I paid $4. And as you can see up there, see, hold on. I got all the video games and stuff up there. That's what I used to sell. I got tubs and tubs of video games. And I'm gonna start lining them up like other people. They lighten them up, you know, selling multi at the same time. They're selling multi ones, you know, light games. Some of them are light games, like if you got say you got siphon filter or something like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Put them together. Or if you got Rainbow Six, you know, you got all the Rainbow Six, put them together. You know, sell them as a lot. I might do something like that because all of them brand new up there. I got cases with brand new games. So, and I got Wii, I got PS3, I got what's the name of that game? The PSP. I got PS2, I got PS1, you know, and I got all kind of Nintendo 64. I got everything. I got GameCubes back here in this cabinet back here. See that white cabinet? I got GameCubes in there, you know. I just got stuff everywhere. I'm just telling you. I really don't need to go out and source, but I do it anyway. You know what I'm saying? My wife kicked me out the house. I just go source. You know what I mean? Woo! That's what we do in the hood. Your wife kick you out all the time. You know what I'm saying? You got to find somewhere to stay. Stay in your car or something. You know, no, I'm just playing. My wife don't kick me out. But anyway, like I was saying, I was just making a video about, you know, what I sold today. Some days I sell 10, 15 items. Some days I sell 6, you know. But most of the time I just average 5 items a day. But like I said, 5, 6 items a day. But my thing is, I'm trying to get more. How can I put it? I'm trying to get more people buying stuff. But you know, I'm kind of satisfied. I want to sell more, but the baggers can't be choosy. So what I do, I just sell stuff. Stuff sell to sell. It just stand on eBay and they ain't charging nothing for that stuff sitting there. Let me see how many items I got on eBay. Let me show you. How many items I got? Hold on, y'all. Let me pull this up. Okay, I got 541 items on eBay right now. It's just sitting there. Ain't nothing costing. It's not costing me nothing. It's just sitting there. It don't cost me nothing to load it or nothing. So, I mean, no, I don't. Yeah, I got 541. It's listed at $12,162. That's how much I got on there right now. That if somebody buy all my stuff right now, that's how much money I make, $12,000 something. So I still got a long way to go. You know, I sold 39 items this month for $962, and that's money that I wouldn't have had. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can, you know, say you ain't selling nothing on eBay, whatever, but that's money I wouldn't have had in my pocket. You know what I mean? So, with some of that shipping fees and stuff too. So, I really probably sold about $750, $800, something like that, when all the fees and stuff come out. So, and all that's tax write-offs anyway. I'm writing all that stuff off. I don't care. I'm writing you off because I'm talking to you. But anyway, you guys have a good day. And I don't know why I'm talking so low, because I don't talk low. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm doing that. But you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching. And remember this. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Give me a subscribe. And just remember, we pickin the hood too. Yeah. Peace.